This is called Dr. Bob's Unflavored Toothpaste. Now, what's really interesting about this is almost every toothpaste has a flavor, but there are some people out there that hate the taste of toothpaste, especially some kids that don't like it because it's like too spicy for them. So that's where this comes in. It is unflavored. You're not going to get any flavor. I did brush my teeth with it. It's very pleasant, and you're getting the fluoride that you need. So if you want the fluoride you need without the taste, I definitely recommend this. It's by a husband and wife team, and I love the packaging. I like the fish on it. Nice toothpaste, perfect if you have kids or someone you know who just can't stand that taste of toothpaste. Go for that unflavored. It is clear, so let me show you what it looks like when it comes out. Just like a clear toothpaste. Super easy to use. Any kid ages 2 and older, no dyes in it. Great toothpaste without any flavoring.